I'm actually looking at their newest RAZR Fold, and honestly, that device is just something that you actually haven't seen before. And I think this is the the beauty, but like it is absolutely beautiful device. So obviously Motorola had the Fold, had the small one, the RAZR 60, right? So, and their kind of way was with the flip. But now they introduce the Fold, so obviously following other brands which are already doing that. And I think that's just a good direction, because when you look at the hinges, it is actually nicely done. So like when you look at the first products from other companies like Samsung or others, like you see that they were trying, like Motorola jumps in and they're already, like, when I look at the hinge, it is actually very nice one. It's like it is barely visible. It is like, obviously you can see it because you can see it is there, but like the quality of it, it's actually very, very decent. And the case is that because obviously it's their first foldable, right? So like I'm always looking at the first series as a prototype, but they did very well on it. Like when you look at the the size, right? It is decent. It is just a little bit kind of bigger than normal one. For example, like when you compare it to their Motorola Signature, it's like it's just a little bit thicker, and that's exactly what I think is just great, because it's bringing the technology available to people. And like foldables are just so great, and especially with these with this device, and I think it just makes a total sense. So the case is that obviously you can use the camera like as normally you would, so you can just grab a nice photo, you can just scan a QR code, for example, and boom, see the latest stuff. And also like use the selfie mode in a cool way. So look, this is something which I very much like. So you have this, which does allow you to do that one, but you can use the selfie camera right here, and that is a cool one. And I know that there is an option to use, flip the phone and use the main camera as a selfie. How cool is that, right? So I'm using the main camera, which is obviously a good quality camera, as a selfie camera right now. And you can record videos, so you're making literally selfie videos with that main thing. And that's, I think, what foldables are bringing to you. They're bringing the ability to create a very cool option to create a high quality videos. That is just so awesome. So when it comes to the spec, we have a processor Snapdragon 8 Gen 5, which is obviously making the beautiful performance for daily usage, and at the same time it does make the gaming very efficient. It actually has a 6,000 mAh battery, which obviously for this phone, which is also a tablet at the same time, it does make it does make sense. But the cool thing is that it has 80-watt charger, so that means that you can actually charge it in like 10 minutes, get up to 12 hours of power in 10 minutes. So that is a cool thing, because obviously it does allow you to have it nicely, and it is just beautiful. The nits here, it's 6,200, so that's kind of like literally a leading one. 2K resolution makes it absolutely beautiful. And obviously, let's talk some cameras, right? Because it is powered by the 50 megapixel Sony Lithia 828 sensor, which makes obviously just stunning videos and photos. And then you have the 50 megapixel ultra wide with the macro vision. So yeah, that is definitely something worth looking into. And obviously 20 megapixel external and 32 megapixel internal selfie camera. And the last thing, I think very important, is the size. So when it's closed, it is a 6.6-inch display, which makes it perfect for kind of like a daily usage. Not too big, not too small. I think that's just 6.4, 6.5, 6.6. It's a good size. But then when you open it, you have an 8.1-inch display, and I think that just makes it so cool. And remember, if you like it, just like and follow for more, so you're up to date with everything what's going on the MWC.
MadTechTalk, tech so fly, breaking down gear, let's amplify. Sub like, don't miss a thing. Tech reviews with a little bling. We out for now, but stay tuned. More fire tech is dropping soon.